Hi everyone, it's Lynn. I thought the color challenge went kind of good last week, so I hope everybody liked it. I'm going to grab my Crayola box. But I did want to talk just real quick about what I've been doing. I think that, just check in with y'all, see what's up. So what I've been doing, I know yesterday was Valentine's Day, but that means all the Valentine's fabric is on sale. Now, I did buy mine before Valentine's Day, but I've just been now catching up on what I wanted to do. So, yes, I'm Southern. Y'all know this. But I decided that I wanted special Valentine's Day napkins for Valentine's Day. So I thought I'd just make myself some napkins. I made myself some tablecloths a few years ago. And so here's how I do things. I know it's weird, but so I have a tote for each month, and then I just kind of have little decorations that I want to put around the house to celebrate that whatever month it is. And so and it's not a lot. It's just like stuff that I'll put on my dining room table or something like that. And so, you just find little things and you put them in there, and then the next month you get out the next tote and you have that, whatever that month theme is. And so anyway, my mom started this when she was alive, and I've just kind of kept it up. So I add to it periodically, just for fun or whatever. So I decided that I was going to do some Valentine's Day napkins because I just had the tablecloths, and I thought it'd be cute if I had Valentine's Day fabric, which I did two-sided, to have Valentine's Day napkins. And so here's what I did. And there's really no special magic thing about it. But also I have an embroidery machine, and I think you should add aren't these cute little cake pops? I just thought they were adorable. So, and I bought 3 or 4 little Valentine's Day theme little embroideries that I'm just going to embroider on the different napkins. I think I'm making 8 napkins because that's just a good round number for things. And so here's how I do it. Now you have a choice. You can make it a single-sided napkin or a double-sided napkin. Double-sided napkin is going to cost more money because you're going to spend more money on fabric. Yes, you can definitely save money by just buying cloth napkins at some stores. You can definitely do that. That's not what I do. So, but the good news is a lot of the big box stores have, special holiday kind of fabrics on sale, really deeply discounted, right before the holiday or definitely right after. So today would be the day to go and check them out. And they're probably 50-60% off, because they're trying to get rid of it. It's now clearance. So it'd just be one way you could do it. And just go get, some cute, the big box store around me, starts with a J, had these 2 cute Valentine's Day fabric. And so I get to make napkins. You need, if you're just going to do single-sided, you need 2 yards to make 8. So some people like 18-inch napkins, and I like that too, but I found that if I just get 2 yards, then that's really cutting it close on the 18-inch. Now, they don't have to be exactly 18 inches, and no one's going to come to your table and measure. So I just cut mine at 17 inches or 16 and a half inches square. Cut them square, and then I iron them really flat, and then I actually sew them together. I make the envelope and I sew them together, and then I turn them inside out and then do one last trip around the world with sewing it together, because you leave a little hole and you turn them inside out. But you want to put the embroidery on before you sew it together, so that the embroidery doesn't show on the back. Now, if you're just doing single-sided, it's 2 yards. If you're doing double-sided, it's going to be 4 yards. So you can see where you are spending a little bit more money on that. But if you're getting a good deal on the fabric and it's on sale, I don't know. It's just you do it once, and then you have Valentine's Day fabric napkins to use the whole month. Like, I'm not going to put this stuff up until I get the March stuff out. So, and in March I do shamrocks or, and I don't have napkins for next month. I do have tablecloths. I think I have tablecloths. I'll have to open up the box. And that's the cool thing is every time I open up the box, it's like, oh, I forgot I had this. It's been a year since I've seen it. Who knew? So anyway, so that's what I'm working on today. Just kind of easy, little simple sewing stuff and just something that's kind of fun. But do you guys sew anything for Valentine's Day? How do you do it? Now, we went out to dinner. We had a nice dinner, and it was fun, so I didn't even use them. But anyway, we'll have these for next year. And I can just play with my embroidery machine and do cute little designs and still have nice little napkins for next year. So I thought it would be fun. And it's a good deal to do now since it's right after the holiday. So that's what I've been doing today. So, 1, what have y'all been doing today? And 2, we got to figure out what color we're going to work on, right? So, Crayola box ready. I'm going to close my eyes and just pick. You saw me. I didn't know. Ooh, this is brown. It literally is brown. This is the brown one. That's interesting. All right. So, our color for this week, if you choose to accept this mission, of course, is brown. Brown. That'll be interesting. I think this is kind of an interesting color to work with. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so we will see you on Friday, and we will look at different ways that we can use brown in our quilts. All right, so talk to you later, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and join us on Cotton Art Stitches, which is the Facebook group, or you can post things on Cotton Art Studio, and I think I see those too. But I've noticed people are posting blocks that they've done with goldenrod, so you never know what we're gonna have. And I will talk to y'all later, and tell me what you're doing for what you did for Valentine's Day. And I hope everybody had love in their life because that's really important. So we'll talk to you later. Brown. Have a great day.